Hi, team. Um, Say, I've been trying to figure out this screen recording thing so we could use it properly as a team and find the best software out there to use. I think I found something I'd like to share with you. So, first of all, we can we can record, using our camera on our computers like I am right now, and then switch over to do a demonstration. So let me stop this recording and switch over to that. So what I'm going to do is do a video off the camera like I am now, and then switch over to a desktop type of an application. Well, you'll hear my voice and you'll see me working around on the screen. So here we go. Okay, so I just got into recording mode here, so it's going to capture my desktop. What I'll do is open up the site where we can download the Debut software. It's an NCH software. But let me go back to the home page here and show you how to really find this software first. So when you first land on the NCH software page, it's a little bit confusing. There's a lot of stuff here. So what I would do is just drop this down and go find the Debut software. And it is up towards the top. It's all alphabetical, easy enough to find. You find Debut, you download it. It costs about 40 bucks, so it's a good buy. I think it's got a lot of good, powerful things to it. So what I've noticed is that when I'm using the software, and I'll bring it up here, you'll be able to see it. When I'm actually using this window here, you'll see that there are different things on the screen. So there's a way to grab it by device, so you can do the camcorder, or excuse me, the webcam here. You switch it to full screen. You can capture your screen like I'm doing now. Does a good job as far as picking up my Jabra headset. It knew it was there and started using it just fine, which was great. So now what I'll do is there's a couple different ways you can stop the recording if you don't want to do it. But what I'll do for now is just come right down here, hit stop recording, and end this. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, so that's how you kind of jump in between the webcam on your computer and your desktop. So the other thing is that I found is that it's easiest to really use the Windows Live Movie Maker to assemble these. So all your files will actually go over into your directory for videos, and there'll be a debut folder there automatically by default. They'll show up there, and then you just have to open them up in your Live Movie Maker. I'm going to switch over to that here in just a second, show you how to assemble those. See you on the other side. Okay, so I jumped over here to Windows Live Movie Maker. I brought in that first clip of the video that I just made. Then I have this other strip here, which is the desktop recording that I made. Next thing I need to do is just bring in that other video that I just made after that other strip. So let me go over here and add a video. I know that it's video 12 here. Remember, I told you that it's going to end up in your videos in your debut folder. That got set up automatically during the setup of the software, so it's pretty cool that way. So then I think that this is the clip that I added just after that one, and then what I'll do, I'll put this clip back behind this one, and it all runs together. So what happens is that uh, on here, when I come up here to the very beginning and I play it, it'll start to play through that video, and you can hear it going through there. So it works real good. So you don't have to worry about binding these together or anything like that. But it's uh, kind of a good way to edit everything. So when I'm going through this first piece here, I kind of stumbled a little bit at the very end, and I said the same thing twice. So what I would normally do if I was sending this to the outside, I would stop that right in here someplace so that it didn't um, say it twice, and just cut it out and edit it. But anyway, so you can see that this is going to just kind of jump right in between the different stuff that I put up there. So it's going to jump from my video over to that little desktop demonstration that I did pretty seamlessly, and just goes through it. And then it's going to do the same thing at the other end of this, so that when you get through this demonstration part of it, it'll jump back to my picture. And then I'm going to load this portion that I'm doing right now after this, so that it just kind of all goes right through it, just as a demonstration. So anyway, I'm going to stop recording. And if you guys have any questions about all of this, just let me know. and we'll work through it. So anyway, here we go. Stop and talk to you later. Bye.